I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Yaris brake pads. First, prioritize safety by gathering all necessary tools, including a jack stands, a lug wrench, and your new brake pads. Park your Yaris on a flat, stable surface, engage the parking brake, and use wheel chocks. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to prevent injury during the process. Now let's remove the old pads. Begin by loosening the lug nuts on the wheel you're working on. Safely raise your Yaris with a jack and secure it with jack stands, then fully remove the wheel. Locate the brake caliper, unbolt it, and carefully slide it off the rotor. Use a hook or wire to hang the caliper, preventing strain on the brake hose. Finally, remove the worn brake pads from the caliper bracket. With the old pads out, it's time for the new ones. You'll need to compress the caliper piston to make space for the thicker new pads. Use a C-clamp or a brake caliper tool for this, placing an old pad against the piston to protect it. Install the new brake pads into the caliper bracket, ensuring they fit correctly. Then, carefully reattach the caliper and tighten the caliper bolts to 25 foot-pounds. For the final steps, reinstall the wheel and tighten the lug nuts to 76 foot-pounds. Lower your Toyota Yaris completely. Before driving, pump the brake pedal repeatedly until it feels firm. This resets the caliper piston against the new pads. Finally, take your Yaris for a cautious test drive at low speeds in a safe area to confirm proper braking function and ensure everything feels right.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.